track. We have to go towards the Rumbles obstacle.
Okay.
Just have to take a little left, follow these tire marks. Which are there.
Okay.
Okay. And you see that white chalk mark? Line
Yeah.
painted. Just you can
Put the
go
tire in
towards
between,
that.
right?
Yeah, between the two.
Okay.
Just you will feel how good the suspension is. How
Can we put it in front view mode?
actually, sir, we actually have to see the lines and
Okay.
things like that. So I'm trying to put it in a mode where
Okay. I think this should be fine, right?
yeah, this you can just wait out.
Okay.
So once they climb, then we are going to follow them. Just go over the first obstacle, which is the rumble strip. Nice and easy.
Yeah.
You'll see how good the
Suspension is.
how good
It's
the-
very comfortable.
Yes. So this is the 4MATIC technology from Mercedes that they offer in their lineup of GLC, GLE and GLS, which makes going on driving in these conditions also very easy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just take a left, wait till this car crosses over. So
Yeah.
now you will see this is the next obstacle, side angle
Okay.
drop. So you will see that
Yeah.
they are going to cut it complete right at a certain position. I will tell you when to do it.
Yep.
Now, sir, we can also
Okay.
proceed. Just nice and easy. I'll tell you when to stop.
Yep. I
Try
think we
keep
need to
clear.
stop. Yeah, because if they move right,
yeah,
we'll have
they
to wait
have
for
to
them.
actually move out of this thing. Then
Yeah. We good to
now
go?
we can start. I will tell you when to stop.
Okay.
Right now, just follow these chalk
Lines.
marks.
Yeah.
Try to keep your both the hands on the steering in this position. Just keep going like this in a straight line. Keep going now. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Slowly, nice and easy. Slowly, slowly, slowly.
Okay.
Keep going. Keep going. A little more. Slowly but surely. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. That's it. That's it. Now complete stop. Turn
Okay.
the steering complete right.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
And now just release the brakes and tap the brakes. You just have to provide a feather touch acceleration if the car is asking for it and it is
Okay.
not moving forward.
Okay. So I just leave the brakes, right?
Yeah, for now you just leave the brakes and just be on the brakes, release the brakes, tap the brakes, release the brakes.
Okay.
Okay.
I think it requires a
Is it?
little bit
It's
of
not
acceleration.
moving, right? It's
Yeah,
moving now.
just tiny bit.
Now, yeah. Just tap the brakes and release the brakes. Tap and release. Yeah.
Just fine, right?
It is fine. It is fine. Nice and easy. Perfect, sir. Perfect. Now you can correct the steering to
Yeah.
straight.
One sec. So once we climb out of there, we got to wait for them, right?
Yes. Once they
Okay.
cross this, then we are going to go over it. Now they have crossed it. We can go. So right side, you will have to keep it on the edge of the
Cone,
this-
very close to the cone, right?
Yeah, not this cone, but this cone. So I will tell you.
Okay.
Just keep it close to where.
Yeah. Okay, sure. I'll wait for you.
Yeah. Just keep
So
going now.
lines are fine.
Line is fine.
Okay.
We have to keep it on the edge of it. So
Okay.
you are doing fine.
Okay.
Keep going, sir. Keep going. Don't steer too much.
Okay.
Just accelerate from here. Accelerate from this position. Don't worry, we are not going to fall. This is perfect, sir. Keep going, keep going. You can see the angle
Yeah.
on your screen. It is -21 right now. 23
It's a
degrees.
lot.
Yeah. Just keep going, sir. Accelerate. A little push. Perfect, sir. Perfect. Great.
That was nice.
Great.
Yeah, sure.
So that was perfect. You did 3 obstacles till now, and you performed very well.
All thanks to your guidance.
No, it's just that it's when you are telling someone and they are also able to understand and execute that is more important in off-roading, because you might be doing it maybe after a long time, or maybe some of us do it for the first time, and
Yeah.
that is how you learn from our experience, and then probably you can do it on your own also once.
So, yeah, some instruction always helps.
Some instructions always helps. That is also good, sir. Yes, we can
Yeah, right.
move forward. So this is the next obstacle, the hill climb. Again, the lines are very important that you have
Okay.
to follow.
Yep.
Yes. This, yeah. try to go down.
Okay. Yeah, we'll wait for them because they have not cleared
They
it
have
yet.
cleared. They have cleared now.
Yeah, but we'll have to wait on the slope for them. So
It's a little slow, but it's okay.
yeah.
Now we
Okay.
can-
Now we can go.
Yeah.
Right.
Here the climb is more important. The slope is very. It's not a big slope.
Okay.
After the climb, it feels so. Just try to follow these tire marks only. Keep it
Yeah.
to your side
Yeah.
and just keep going in this direction. Put it in momentum. Try to go in one shot. Yes. Keep accelerating. Keep accelerating. Slowly.
Okay. You fine?
Yes. Keep
Okay.
going.
I think I went a little left.
Yeah, that's fine. Right.
Yeah. Okay.
Perfect.
Because I think it, last moment traction, right? It
Yeah.
slipped a little right, I believe.
Right. Actually, this one is a very good, when you talk about the CG.
So you can come.
Yeah.
Copy. So the CG plays a big role in a model like this.
Yeah.
So I personally feel the GLC is one of their best, products.
Yeah, but GLC is like the only one.
Just keep going slowly and surely. Slowly. A little left. Oh, not that much.
Okay. Sorry, I'll.
That's okay.
It's fine,
Keep
right?
it like this.
Straight?
Yeah, now straight. Keep going a little. Keep going a little more, sir. Keep going a little more. On manual braking, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, a little more. Now, sir, leave the brakes completely.
Okay.
And just
Do a
keep
little left.
Yes.
Yeah.
Leave the brakes completely. Leave the brakes.
Okay, I did.
Yeah. So you see, it won't cross the speed of 2 km/h
Yeah.
on this one.
Still, because of the angle, it was very scary.
It was because
Yeah.
of the angle when it gets scary, but this is what actually, it feels like that you won't, how would you leave the brakes?
Yeah.
This thing, but this is what. Just stop here.
Yeah, sure. I'll wait for them.
Because this
Yeah.
is an important obstacle to understand. Try to keep both the hands on the steering, sir.
Yeah.
A little towards the right. That's about it.
Okay.
Yeah, just keep going.
Yeah.
Perfect, you are doing great. This is a great line to be in.
Okay.
Just keep following this line.
Yeah.
Keep going.
So here we are pointing away from the hole, right?
Yeah. Right. Now, sir, keep going. A little bit of momentum would be required.
Okay.
Just push it a little.
Yeah. Okay.
And on the brakes. Land on the brakes. Let
Yeah.
it stabilize.
Yeah. Then I start
Perfect, sir.
moving.
Yeah.
right?
Then you leave the brakes now. A little push, sir, on the throttle. And
On the brakes.
again.
Okay.
Perfect, sir. Okay. Sorry, sir.
Yeah, no worries.
Now you can.
Okay.
Perfect, sir.
Oh, great.
That was great.
Yeah, thanks to your instructions.
Left, sir.
Okay.
Left you've done. No, it's the same thing. I mean,
Okay.
I can only instruct you have to drive and you
Yeah.
have to follow this.
This is
Then-
fun.
Yeah, this was actually fun, and other ones are also fun. Now
Okay.
you are going to do this one. Again, the important thing is that we'll have to be on the edge
Okay.
as much as possible. This is again a chicken holes. Slightly up and down we will go
Yeah,
again
so
to test
these are
out.
very gentle, right?
So gentle than those, but it is going to be a
Oh.
little bit of, this thing.
Okay. That one looks a little scary.
Again, on the edge, sir.
Okay.
Just try to follow the last tire mark on the left.
Okay.
This is what
Yeah.
our attempt should
It's
be.
like literally off this thing, the mound.
Yes.
So,
Almost off the mound. Yeah,
okay,
just
this
keep
is
it like this in
little
this
fine.
position.
Okay.
We are approaching it well.
Okay.
Just keep it like this
Okay.
and now keep going.
Little left, I guess.
Yeah. It's okay.
Okay.
A little bit. It's okay.
It's okay.
Because the tire marks are on the
Okay,
edge.
so straight.
Yeah, just keep going straight on this. And you see the angle information on your
Yeah.
screen. Keep going, sir.
You have to climb a little on it, right?
Just accelerate a bit. That's it. Perfect, sir. Now you see the angle information.
Yeah.
It's plus 18 degrees.
Yeah, that's a lot.
गलत line है. You're too much on the edge.
Okay. So should we go left? Or should we reverse out?
We can take a little left, right?
Okay. This is fine.
Yeah, this should be fine. And
It can do up to 21, right?
it can go up to 25, 26 also.
Oh.
And now take a
U-turn. Okay. I think we may have to reverse.
We'll have to reverse a bit. We have to go towards the
So this is the final one, right?
This one is the final one. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Again,
I'll just wait. Yeah.
on the edge will be important.
Yeah. I'll just wait near the cones.
Yeah. We can wait near the cones. So it is going to be, we are going to do a stretch of left side being down, and then it is
Okay.
going to turn over to right.
Oh.
A little shift will be required. That's the reason. Again, sir, move the hand on the steering.
Yeah,
So,
sorry.
obstacle. Yeah.
So line is okay.
Line is okay. Line.
A little on the right, right?
Yeah, you can keep it a little right
Yeah.
if you want, but this should be fine.
Okay, so we are about to drop, I guess.
Yeah. Just keep going in this line, sir. Perfect line, sir.
Okay.
Now it will require a little bit of push.
Acceleration. Yeah.
Keep it a little right, like this, in this angle. And a little
Okay,
push. Little more push. On the brakes, sir. Land on the brakes
Yeah.
and let the car stabilize steady.
Yeah.
Now, sir, move
Now-
in this direction only.
Okay, a little left,
notch. And now move, sir. Perfect. Keep going.
Yeah.
So we are done with all the obstacles.
Very nice.
Hope you had a good experience.
Exceptional experience.
Yeah, keep going, sir. Keep going straight.
Okay. So now we'll just park it there,
Yeah,
right?
park it there. We can take a U-turn and park between the two GLEs.
Okay.